Hi guys, this is TJ. Today it was an okay day for me. I got 12.3k. So actually I was in profit of 24k, but I lost most of the gains in this particular fall. This big sharp fall took my profits. Yeah. Otherwise, till this point, I was in a very good profit of 24k. So okay, let's go to my trades. So today I traded in stocks Titan, Kotak, IRCTC, and Adani Port. So if you remember, I had this debit spread of 34,800 call and 35,000 call. So in this I got uh, profit of 1,700. Actually it was in good profit in this particular move, bullish move. It was as per my plan, but when it started falling, I closed it and I didn't book full profits. Yeah, so that was my positional trade. And let's go to my stock trades. First I will cover stock trades. So the first one is Kotak Bank. If you can see uh, this particular this one I was observing from past 2 days. It was in a very bullish mode. I was waiting for a big move here. I was expecting a big move. So I entered at here at 1250. Once it crossed VWAP, I entered in this and but I observed some weakness here. If you can see, I exited at 1002. If you can, where is Kotak? Yeah. I entered at 950 and I exited at 10.2 because it started going down. It crossed VWAP, so I closed it and I entered again. So here I made some 750 rupees. So I entered again at 1005. If you can see at here I entered again because it started gaining momentum again. So I entered again here, but I closed it uh, here with some small profits. So at yeah, here I closed it. But immediately after I closed it, it gave a big move and it fall again. But I would have made a very good profits here. But I got some 1,300 rupees here. So as a whole, I got 2,000 rupees in this Kotak, and then I tried IRCTC. All these things were there in my watch list. So IRCTC was also giving very good momentum today. So at 10:38. So if you see here, uh, after this big candle, if you see the volume was also supporting this big particular move. So if you can see, it was breaking out from this particular level. So I was expecting a very big move, and I entered at this point, and I was holding. I was holding till here, and I was trailing my stop losses. Uh, so it was in a very good profit of some 7k, but I didn't close it, and I just trailed the stop loss, and my trailing stop loss got hit at 11:37. So one sharp move happened at 11:37. So uh, it touched 20 MA, and it start at this particular point I closed it. So if you see, after touching 20, after this point, it closed down here. So I exited at right point, I think. So I got some 2700 rupees in this counter. And again I got Adani ports. So if you see here, the Adani port was um, very bullish from the morning. It was having very big volume candles, and all the technical indicators were bullish. And I was waiting for right time to enter. So when I saw this touching the VWAP and reversing from there, I entered at this point, thinking like it will break out again. But since it was not showing any momentum, I closed it at 11:56. So if you can see here, I closed it here, and immediately I closed it, it gave a breakout. I would have made good profits in here, but I just booked some 600 rupees here loss. So that's okay. So again I took Titan at 11:56. So if you can see, Titan was also giving very good move here. uh, so I was thinking like it will touch VWAP, and I will enter, but it didn't touch, and I entered at this point when it was breaking this particular big candle. So I entered it here, and it was in very good profits of 7k, 7 or 8k, but I didn't close it. I trailed my stop loss, and my trailing stop loss got hit at uh, 2, I think. So I entered at this point, and around 2 o'clock, this particular point, if you can see, 212, this particular big move took my trailing stop loss. uh, so if you see here, at I entered at 11:56, but at 212, that particular big move took my trailing stop loss. I exited this counter with 4k profits, for 4100 profits at this particular point. And I entered again this counter at 248, I think. Yeah. So if you can see here, at this particular point I entered again, and I made some 2800 points. So if you can see here, I entered again at 248, and I exited at 1781. So I made 2800. So all these are my stock trades. So in this I got some 9000, 9k. So let's go to my bank nifty trades. uh, Bank nifty trades, so if you can see, it was bullish. It gapped up. So I waited till 9:23, and I entered at this point. So when it was breaking VWAP, it gapped up, and it was once it crossed VWAP, I went and shorted a 34,500 put. Okay. So, and these four are my system trades. In this system trades, I didn't get much profits today. uh, I got around 1800 rupees in this. uh, so this one, 34,500, I closed it around 132, and I entered again 34,600 put, which was trading around 157. This In the first one I got some 2300, I think. uh, yeah. And this one, 34,600, I exited at 11:38, because it was, if you see here, it got a reaction from this pivot point, and at this 11:38 I exited that one, because if you see, it was breaking uh, this 20 EMA. So I closed it, and immediately you can see it fall more. So if you can see this particular put, I closed it around 11:38. I exited at the right point. I got some 1300 rupees, 1400 rupees in this. So after that, I shorted call, uh, this 35,000 call. If you see this one at 11:46. So here it started breaking as the previous day high. So um, the main in the morning, since I shorted puts because it was breaking previous day high, and day before that also it was the same previous day high. So since it was breaking, I was very bullish, and I was shorting only puts here. And since it broke this particular previous day low, I shorted call here, 35,000 call. But it started reversing from there, and at this particular point I exited that 35,000 call, if you can see it. So wait, yeah, here at 12:25 I exited. I booked some 1,000 rupees loss, that's it. Okay, and then at 34,700 put I shorted at 12:26. If you can see, it started becoming bullish again, and it broke VWAP. So I shorted put here, and my stop loss got hit here in this particular move. So this 34,700 put, the stop loss got hit. If you can see here at 223, my stop loss got hit. Okay, so it broke all the levels, and here once it started moving down, I went and short call again, 34,900 call, which was trading around 174, and I got some 1,000 rupees in that. Yeah, okay. So uh, that's it for my bank nifty trades and system trades. So overall I got 12,500. This one I'm carrying for tomorrow, debit spread. um, I'm thinking like it will be bullish based on the OI data and all. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Thanks guys.